Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on MAC Burgundy times 9 palette. The price of the product is rupees 3400, and from Nika you would get an offer of 3150 rupees. So this is the packaging. It is a well edited palette of smoky brown hues offering countless color combinations, all in rich matte texture. The saturated, soft, and smooth shades are packed in one pocket sized compact for easy portability. The palette has a magnetic closure which makes the palette close tightly and does not allow any fallouts from the shade. Let's do the swatches. So the first color that is being swatched is Honey Lust. It is in luster finish, and second color is Poppy Seed. The finish is in satin. It has a mid-tone movie nude. Query is the third swatch, and the fourth is Antique, and the fifth one is Embark. It has intense reddish brown matte finish, then Noir, deep black brown with gold pearls, and then Hawks, soft muted rosy brown satin finish, and then Star Violet, pinky brown plum. And then comes the best color, that is Sketch, burgundy with red shimmer. It has a velvet finish. Now let's see the swatches with light. Now you can see the shimmery shades from this palette. Now let's create a look with this palette. Daytime Glam Eyes. I created this look with only 3 colors, and that is Embark, Sketch, and Honey Lust. Such an easy look for everyday wearing. The benefits of this palette are features matte textures, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, non acnegenic, safe for contact lens wearers, can be used wet or dry. So with the MAC 217 brush, the first color applied is Sketch. Blend it properly, it is very pigmented. These eyeshadows blend completely. And the second color is Embark, just on the crease. Again, blend it properly. Now with the fingertips, we are applying Honey Lust on just the inner eyeball area, on the eyelid. Now to give an eyeliner look, we are going to apply these kohl pencil on the lid, and then we are going to blend it with the brush. With the same sketch color, we are going to color our lower lids and blend it properly. This is the finished look of the eyes. Let's begin with the face. Because my skin is oily right now, I'm going to brush it with loose powder. from Clinique. If you're guessing this is a lipstick, no, it's a brush. I got this from this loose powder. Whatever extra powder is there on the face, we can dust it off later. I'm using lip crayon from Maybelline. This is the finished look. So perfect. Guys, do like and subscribe my channel for more videos like these.